As-salaamu Alaikum wa Rahmatullahi wa Barakaatuh. Welcome back to Halal Talk Show, where we uncover the truth about halal food and products around the world. Today, we're looking at a very popular spot that many of you have asked about, Al-Salam Halal Mediterranean Restaurant. The big question is it truly halal? First things first, the restaurant itself openly advertises as halal in its name. Most branches of Al-Salam Halal Mediterranean Restaurant are run by Muslim owners, and their menu is based on halal-certified Mediterranean dishes such as shawarma, kebabs, falafel, and grilled meats. This is a positive sign. In most cases, customers have confirmed that the restaurant uses halal meat suppliers, and the food is prepared in line with Islamic dietary rules. But as with any restaurant, it's always recommended to verify. Sometimes a place may carry the halal label but might not provide proper certification. Or there may be concerns about cross-contamination with non-halal items like alcohol if it's served on site. So what's the verdict? Yes, Al-Salam Halal Mediterranean Restaurant is generally halal, especially if it's run by Muslim ownership and displays halal certification. But remember, always ask directly at your local branch about their halal sources. It's better to confirm than to assume. Final reminder, the name alone is not enough. Our responsibility as Muslims is to verify. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever eaten at Al-Salam Halal Mediterranean Restaurant? Did you find clear halal certification? Or did you just rely on the name? Share your experiences in the comments below so the whole community can benefit. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Halal Talk Show for more honest halal reviews and guidance. As-salaamu Alaikum wa Rahmatullah.